Breaking right now for Dale. I got 3 boxes of 2015 Spectra football. All right, let's get going. So just 3 boxes, so if anybody wants the last few, they'll be in here. All right. There's those 3. Let's get going. You saw me pull it out of the case. I'll take it around anyway. Let's get some nice hits out of here for you. Starting off, Rivals card, Khalil Mack and DeMarcus Ware. 52/99, Khalil Mack and DeMarcus Ware. Next up, we got an auto right here. Rod Streeter for the Raiders. 33/50, Rod Streeter. Next up, jersey swatch rookie card, Mike Davis for the 49ers, Mike Davis. 52/199. Next up, rookie card, Max Williams. 75/99, Max Williams. Like I said, guys, we got this in. Best of Football's back in, too, so I know you guys like Best of Football. Rookie, Jamison Crowder. 76/99. For the Bears, beautiful patch right here. Rookie patch, Kevin White. Rookie patch auto, Kevin White. There we are. Auto's a little hard to see at first. Rookie patch auto, Kevin White. 12/15. The pride of West for... They put the wrong Kevin White down there. Look at that. They put the cornerback from TCU. He's from West Virginia. That's weird. There's a Kevin White at TCU. Yeah. Yeah, that's not right. He went to WVU. Trust me, he is part of the pride. I don't know. It's got a Bears patch on it. Sunday best, Sheldon Richardson. 46/50, jersey swatch, Sheldon Richardson. Marshawn Lynch. 34/49. That makes me mad. How are you going to slight the Mountaineers like that? That's going to put me in a bad mood all day. Rookie card jersey swatch auto, Jimmy Garoppolo. 44/149, Jimmy Garoppolo. Rivals right here. Andrew Luck, J.J. Watt, dual jersey swatch. 13/49, Luck and J.J. Watt. Sunday best, Aaron Rodgers, jersey swatch. 1/35. 1/35. Marcus Allen for the Raiders. 18/49. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Rookie Amir Abdullah, jersey swatch. 21/199. Beautiful patch right here, Geno Atkins. Awesome patch right there, Geno Atkins. 10/25. Geno Atkins. For the Falcons, rookie auto, Vic Beasley. 22/25, Vic Beasley auto. And for the Lions, Matt Stafford. 3/3. 3/3, Matt Stafford. Nice. All right, that was box number 1. Some nice hits coming out of there. Let's get a box number 2. Really nice Kevin White patch auto in there. Stafford 3/3. Nice Geno Atkins patch. So some nice stuff coming out of here. 2 more boxes to go, too. Yeah, Spectra is always a really good product. Rookie card jersey swatch auto, Marquise Lee. 92 of 149, Marquise Lee. Sync swatches right here. Bishop Sankey and Marcus Mariota. Sankey and Mariota. 15 of 50. Jersey swatch right here for the Giants, Odell Beckham Jr. 167 of 199, Odell Beckham. And Matthew Stafford, 12 of 49. Rising rookie dual jersey right there, Marcus Mariota. 74 of 199, Mariota. Next up, it's nice patches right there. Ajayi, Tannehill, and Devontae Parker, team trios. 7 of 10. Ajayi, Tannehill, and Parker. Nice Ajayi patch right there. Trey Williams, rookie card auto for the Redskins. 92 of 199. And Philip Dorsett, rookie card. 410, pink parallel, 410, Philip Dorsett for the Colts. Rivals right here, nice players right here. We got Julio Jones and Kelvin Benjamin. 81 of 99, Julio Jones and Kelvin Benjamin. The best name in football right here for the Panthers, Philly Brown. Auto. 51 of 99, Philly Brown. Rookie card jersey right there, Sean Mannion. 20 of 199, Sean Mannion. Mean Joe Green for the Pittsburgh Steelers, 75 of 99. Last pack in another box. John Elway for the Broncos. 2 of 99, John Elway. Another rookie patch auto for the Bears. Beautiful patch right there, Jeremy Langford. 23 of 99. Catalyst jersey right there, Sammy Watkins. 45 of 50, Sammy Watkins. Michael Strahan. 45 of 49, Michael Strahan. Last box right here. Four more packs. Let's get some big hits out of here. Like I said, guys, you can get one of these for $344.95. Team trios right here, Matthews, Ertz, and Nelson Aguilar. 42 of 199. Matthews, Ertz, and Aguilar. Auto right here, this is my guy, Martavis Bryant. 16 of 99. Beautiful patch right here, rookie patch, Tevin Coleman. 2 of 50, Tevin Coleman, rookie patch. The bust, Jerome Bettis. 33 of 99. Teddy Bridgewater. 51 of 99. Patch auto right here. Rookie patch auto, Devontae Parker. Came on strong for Miami last year. 86 of 99, Devontae Parker. Andy Dalton jersey swatch. 170, 199. Gronk right here for the Pats. 20 of 25, Rob Gronkowski. Darren Sproles right here, jersey swatch auto, vested veterans, Darren Sproles. Yep, 31 of 50. Team quads right here. We got Jameis, Sims, Doug Martin, and Mike Evans. Those are 4 nice players for Tampa Bay. 128 to 199. Eric Dickerson jersey swatch, Epic Legends. 48 to 99. Nelson Aguilar, rookie card. 22 to 35. Rising rookie jersey swatch right here, Jameis Winston. 12 of 199, Jameis Winston rookie card. Eric Dickerson right here. 10 of 10, Eric Dickerson. Beautiful patch right there. Eric Dickerson, 10 of 10 for the Rams. For the 49ers, Eric Armstead, rookie card auto. 166 out of 199, Eric Armstead rookie card. And we're going to end with Sean Mannion rookie card. 410, Sean Mannion. All right, some nice stuff right there. It's Eric. Thanks for the break.